Inilabas na nga ng Miss Grand International 2025 ang swimsuit competition kung saan nagpatalbugan ng 77 candidates ng kanilang pagrampa. Suot ng kanilang blue-red swimsuit. Kabilang sa mga nag-stand out ang ilan sa mga front-runners na sina Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines, Venezuela at Ghana. Okay, let's talk about the performance of Indonesia na ang say ng karamihan ay front-runner daw this year sa Miss Grand International 2025. Well, bonggang ipinakita nitong swimsuit performance. Pasabog ang kanyang styling magmula sa hair at sa heels na suot niya. Super confident itong rumampa, suot ang kanyang blue-red swimsuit. Gusto ko yung pasarela niya dito. Very powerful, very confident. Makikita mo na talaga na she's enjoying the moment and hindi mo mababakas sa mukha niya na kinakabahan siya while performing. Yung transition ng face niya from sexy, fierce, at smile, very on point. I love her performance here. Hindi siya exaggerated or OA yung overall performance niya. Unlike sa ibang kandidata like Japan na nag-cartwheel pa, which is super disappointing. For Indonesia, solid yung performance na ipinakita niya dito. So, I'm going to give her a solid 9.5 dito sa swimsuit. For Thailand naman, on point naman ang movements niya on stage. Halatang praktisado, but I am not that impressed because parang nagpa-perform na lang siya. Hindi ko nakikita nag-enjoy siya or she's enjoying the moment. Tapos medyo off yung facial expression niya here. She's trying too hard na magpaka-fierce to the point na hindi na maganda yung rehistro sa camera. Like parang she was just there to perform, to do rampa, and that's it. For her overall performance, I'm going to give her a 6.5. Venezuela. I love her performance here. Hindi exaggerated. Tamang-tama yung timpla ng performance niya here. Yung facial expressions at projections niya sa camera, very solid din. You can really see that she's enjoying the moment at hindi mo talaga mababaka sa face niya na kinakabahan siya. Very confident, very elegant ang atake ng pasarela niya here. Lakas maka title holder. I'm going to give her performance here a solid 9.5 as well. Okay, let's talk about Ghana. Oh, wow. As in, wow talaga. Sobrang pasabog ang performance niya dito. Sobrang solid ng pasarela. She was able to execute it with full confidence and grace. Laban na laban yung bawat turn or pag-ikot niya. Sinamahan pa ng smooth transitions ng facial expressions niya. Sobrang ganda. Laban na laban, hindi exaggerated or trying hard. So far, siya ang may pinakamagandang overall performance sa kanilang lahat. I'm going to give her swimsuit performance a perfect 10 out of 10. Okay, let's talk about the Philippines naman. Okay naman yung performance ni Philippines. Ang ganda ng execution niya ng kanyang pasarela with full confidence naman. Ganda din ng styling niya here. On point ang bawat turn o pag-ikot niya. Okay din yung transitions niya. Ang mako-comment ko lang is that with her face kasi, mas maganda na i-minimize niya yung fears kasi masyadong mataray yung mukha niya. When she does fears, nagmumukha siyang galit na kinakabahan, yun yung rehistro sa camera. Kaya nasisira yung overall performance. Since mataray, matapang yung face niya, mas magandang 70% nakasmile, then 30% lang yung fears. Kasi here, okay naman sanang lahat eh. Kaso nga lang, very distracting yung face niya dito kapag nag-fears na siya. Mukha na talaga siyang nagtataray, galit, and kinakabahan. But overall, okay naman yung performance niya, yung execution niya ng kanyang pasarela sa swimsuit competition. I'm going to give her a 7.5 here. So for the swimsuit competition, for me, Number 1, Ghana. Number 2, Indonesia. Number 3, Venezuela. Number 4, Philippines. And number 5, Thailand. Magaganap ang Grand Coronation ng Miss Grand International 2025 sa Thailand ngayong October 18. Ayan, anong say mo sa performance ni Philippines?